To one and all, my name is M. Rajeshwari. I am studying in 10th class. Today's our topic is prepositions. Firstly, we have to know the definition of preposition. The definition of preposition is a preposition is a word which describes the relationship between noun or pronoun and object. For suppose, with if we use the preposition in a sentence, the sentence is meaningful, and without a preposition, the sentence is meaningless. For example, they live in Mumbai and they leave Mumbai. See here we can see in the first sentence there was preposition in. So the sentence was meaningful. And in the second sentence we are not used preposition. So the sentence was meaningless. Now we are going to learn types of preposition. Types of preposition. The first one is simple preposition. For example, at, by, in, for, etc. And the second one is compound prepositions. About, around, besides, without, within, etc. And the third one is phrasal preposition. According to, in front of, etc. And the fourth one is participle preposition. Including, expecting, during, considering, etc. And these are the types of prepositions. We are going to see the examples of preposition. Here we can see the ball is on the table. Here the table and the ball are attached. So we used the preposition on. The ball is on the table and the ball is above the table. Here we can see the ball and the table are not attached. So here we used the preposition above. The ball is above the table and the ball is near the table. The ball is below the table. The ball is in the box. And the ball is behind the table. And the ball is below the table. The ball is near the table. Here we use it, the ball is in the box. Here the preposition is in. And the ball is behind the table. Here we use it, the preposition behind. And the ball is below the table. Here we use it, the preposition below. Here the teddy is between two books. Here we use it, the preposition is between. The teddy bear is between two books. And the ball is under the table. Here we use it, the preposition is under. The ball is under the table. And here the scale is among the sketches. Here we use it, the preposition is among. The scale is among the sketches. And this onion was cut by me with a knife. Here the preposition is by. The onion was cut by me with a knife. Stay home, stay safe, wear the mask, maintain social distance and sanitize your hands with sanitizer and keep hand washing. Protect your family from this COVID-19. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.